Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we uncover the secrets hidden in plain sight. But this time, we're not just uncovering secrets, we're seeing if this company is about to do something big that might catch us all off guard. Get ready for some serious stock market news that could shake things up. We will be diving into ProCap Financial's latest filings to see what is really going on behind the scenes, and will they be buying back their own stock. Before we dive too deep, if you enjoy getting straight to the point financial insights like this, make sure you are subscribed, and while you are at it, consider joining our Discord community, linked in the description below for more exclusive content and discussions. So what is the big news from ProCap Financial Incorporated? They've officially announced a new share repurchase program. Think of it like a company using its own money to buy back its own stock from investors. This program is for up to $100 million of their common stock. Now, this isn't just a small decision, it signals a lot about how the company sees its own value and its future plans. The stock ticker for this common stock is BR on the Nasdaq stock market. They also have redeemable warrants trading under BRWW. Also on the Nasdaq, warrants are basically options to buy stock at a set price. This program, called the 2025 Repurchase Program, allows them to buy back shares in a few different ways. They can buy them on the open market, which is like going to a big stock market store and picking up shares. They can also do private deals or even use something called accelerated share repurchases, where they basically pay a bank to buy back the shares quickly. They can also use Rule 1 OB5-1 trading plans, which are arrange plans to buy or sell stock at a specific time or price, avoiding any insider trading concerns. And they'll be following Rule 1 OB18 of the Exchange Act, which is all about how companies can repurchase their own stock without manipulating the market. But here is the key takeaway. This program doesn't force them to buy anything back. It is more like a green light saying they have the ability to do so if they want to, and if it makes financial sense. The actual timing and the amount they buy will depend on things like how much cash they have available, how well the company is doing financially, and what the market conditions are like. Plus, they have to stick to the rules of the stock market. To make this happen, they've teamed up with TD Securities Incorporated. This company will act as their agent to buy back the shares on the open market. They will be paid a small commission of 2 cents for every share they repurchase. This agreement is in place until either party decides it is time to end it by giving written notice to the other. Now, something else interesting here is that ProCap Financial Incorporated identifies as an emerging growth company. This means they are a relatively new company and are allowed to follow some slightly different, often less rigorous reporting rules compared to older, more established companies. This can sometimes mean less frequent or detailed financial reporting initially. So what does a share buyback program really mean for investors and the company itself? Typically, when a company buys back its own stock, it can have a few positive effects. First, it reduces the total number of shares outstanding. If the company's overall profit stays the same or grows, but there are fewer shares, then the earnings per share go up. This can make the stock look more attractive to investors. Second, it sends a strong signal that management believes the company's stock is undervalued and a good investment. They are essentially saying, we think our own stock is a good deal. Third, it can increase shareholder value by returning capital to shareholders. Instead of paying out dividends or investing in new projects, they are directly investing back into their own stock. However, there are also potential downsides. If a company uses too much of its cash to buy back stock, it might not have enough money for future growth, opportunities, research and development, or unexpected expenses. It could also be seen as a short-term fix to boost the stock price rather than a long-term strategy for sustainable growth. It is crucial to look at why they are doing it, their overall financial health, and their future plans. For ProCap Financial, with a stated repurchase program of up to $100 million, this is a significant move. It indicates confidence from management and a desire to return value to shareholders. Looking at the details in the filing, ProCap Financial Incorporated is incorporated in Delaware with a commission file number of 001-42995 and an IRS employer identification number of 39-2767031. Their principal executive offices are located at 600 Lexington Avenue Floor 2 in New York zip code 1A0022. Their telephone number is 3059380912. The filing also includes information about their exhibits, specifically mentioning the cover page interactive data file, which is essentially a machine-readable version of the document's information. The report is signed by Renee Cormier, the Chief Financial Officer, on the 12th of December 2025. This signature confirms that the information presented is accurate to the best of their knowledge. So, ProCap Financial Incorporated is making a notable move by authorizing a substantial share repurchase program. This could signal confidence in their stock's current valuation and a strategy to boost shareholder value. For investors, it is important to watch if and how they execute this program and to assess if it aligns with the company's long-term growth strategy. Is this a sign of strong future performance or a way to prop up the stock price in the short term? We will be keeping a close eye on their future filings to see how this unfolds. Alright, that is our breakdown of ProCap Financial's latest filing. What is your take on this share repurchase program and what do you think it signals for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives into corporate filings. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description for more discussions. Thanks for watching, see you next time.